Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to withdraw money from GXS Bank in few simple steps. First, make sure you have your GXS debit card. You need to go to the ATM for withdraw the cash. If you don't have one yet, you can request in the GXS Bank app. After that, go to the supported ATM near you. In Singapore, you can usually use Nets ATM, major bank ATM that accept debit card. At the ATM, insert your GXS debit card in the machine. Select your preferred language on the screen. Now type the 4-digit card PIN number and make sure no one can see your screen while entering it. On the ATM, select withdraw cash. Choose your account if asked. Type of the account you want to withdraw. Make sure it's within your daily limit. Then confirm transaction. The ATM will dispatch your card, return your money, offer or receipt. Always remember to take card before leaving. And that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.